Hey guys, this is Robert and here's a package, so let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, this small box. It's a personal SOS alarm keychain from Ivation. Equipped with a loud noise, made to make you feel secure, easy clips to your bag or belt. And you need some assistance, there's some information there. Use with these things. The device itself. Should I turn the lights? A carabiner. Instruction manual here. It's pretty small. Maybe the size of my hand for comparison. About the size of my finger. If we pull it, it's gonna get loud noise. I'm not ready for that. But if you're interested in this item, the link will be in the description below. Using that link, you will help support the channel. So thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share the video, and I will see you next time.